I am now dealing with fibroids, and in Canada, there's a lot of women dealing with uterus fibroids. I go to the doctor say, oh, don't worry, this is common in women from 40 to 50. But when you stop bleeding with your when the menopause comes, it will get better. And I thought to myself, I say, okay, I start searching. Fibroid is a tumor. It's a tumor that not developed yet to be a malignant tumor, but yet it's a tumor, right? So I start using that, and I saw on the chat that it's right here on the wrist, one of the uterus. In my case, I have two ultrasounds with my fibroid. The first time, in my first ultrasound, I had some small fibroid inside my uterus. The doctor, I went to see the doctor. When the ultrasound came, the results, the doctor says, Kellen, you have the little fibroids inside, they disappear. Wow. You still have the big, they even, she says, is a big 2 Mickey Mouse ear. It's the size of a lemon. The green one outside. Okay. And he said,
the little ones already disappeared, but the bigger one is still there. Okay.
It's still there because I haven't used the eye doc. Now, pass by, before I bought the eye doc, which is 2 months ago, I believe, or a month ago.
About 2 months ago.
Mm-hmm. Right, 2 months ago, I had to go to the ultrasound. Mm-hmm. After 3 weeks, I had the ultrasound. So I purchased a machine. I started using it. Mm-hmm. And I use it every day for 15 minutes. I do the stimulating the vagus nerves, and I concentrate in the uterus. Okay. So after that, my ultrasound came. I went from the ultrasound. The doctor, they already put every 6 months. She says,